Hello, 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 hello. Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? Yeah. In a previous class, yesterday class, anybody not reading also, don't worry. Small demo I told yesterday. What I told yesterday means observed here, Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. This is a popular database product. What is the purpose of the database product means to store data permanently. But unfortunately, whenever we are installing Oracle software into our system, then automatically one place is reserved in your disk. In this place only, random collection of data we are not allowed to store. Only we are allowed to store structured collection of data. Why? Because this type of Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, these database products are implemented based on relational data model is a concept is there. That concept was implemented by EF Code. Basically, he was a mathematician. That's why he's represented data in the format of matrix. Matrix are nothing but rows and columns. Already yesterday I told no, yeah. That's why structured collection of data only we are allowed to store. Once a structured collection of data is there, how we are operating a data by using a what? Which language? SQL is a language. Up to that one, we are discussing a what? Yesterday class. And also, I told yesterday some other concept. What is that one?
Uh, Good morning, sir.
Here, observe it here.
Mine's is first day. So how many class?
Yeah, only one class. Yesterday, only one class demo completed. Okay, yeah. Observe it here.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Whenever, if you want to operate a what a Oracle database, then we are using three languages. One is what SQL, some syllabus I told yesterday. No? Yeah. Again, another one is SQL means structured query language, same like a English type language only. In that case, insert, update, delete, select, these commands are there. Already told joins, constraints, subqueries, those type of concepts are there. Very easiest language. But in this language through, we cannot control the server, individual records, impossible. In that case, procedural language extension they are providing into SQL language that is called PLSQL language. This language also compulsory you are learning. Why? Because Java, Python, these type of any web-based application programmer also they are writing a what improve performance of the application purpose. Stored procedures, something is there that is they are writing a coding. Those type of things they want to implement means compulsory this language knowledge is required. SQL through impossible. That's why always you are good at what SQL, PL, languages. Then only we are allowed to operate a what Oracle database. Okay, na? Yeah, here. Again, dynamic SQL means SQL statements are executed at runtime. That is called dynamic SQL. A little bit of knowledge in a dynamic SQL also advantage whenever we are working in a Oracle projects in a real time. That's why in our course side, whenever you are working in a Oracle project side, compulsory whatever requirement is there, those all the things you are learning better. Okay, na? Yeah, here. That's why up to this one I told. And also SQL is an ANSI standard language. Yesterday I told. From that ANSI standard SQL, Oracle created their own SQL language that is called Oracle SQL. Again, Microsoft SQL Server created their own SQL that is called SQL Server SQL. MySQL created their own SQL language that is called MySQL SQL. Yesterday I told. No. Again, already I told in our class we are learning about Oracle SQL language. These all SQL languages are conceptually same, but unfortunately syntactically totally different, and also functions also different. Those differences how you are understandable means yesterday two language comparison we are using C++ and Java, those object oriented languages through some concepts I am telling about yesterday class. Anybody not adding means please be refer that video class. Okay, easily understandable. Okay, na? Up to that one yesterday we are learning only. Okay, na? Yeah. Next, another one. Now today, slowly observe it here. Suppose Oracle is a software product, that is a database product. Once we are installing what that database product, automatically some place is reserved that is called Oracle database. If you want to operate a what Oracle database, then we are using a what? SQL is a language, PLSQL language, everyone knows yesterday class based only. But unfortunately, here today observe it here. Here screen is there within my desktop. Another concept is there. What is that one? Slowly observe it here. Yes, very good. Read this one. What is this one? SQL plus. What is this SQL plus? Oracle is a database software. SQL is a language, but another thing is visible here in my desktop only. SQL plus is there. What is this one? Anybody have an idea? Very good. One fellow is telling a what? This is a what? A client tool. Really correct. This is a what? A client tool. What is this client tool? Which one is a default tool? Those all the things today. Oracle Corporation provided simple diagram through that one easily understandable. But unfortunately, before we are starting our course, compulsory you must familiar those type of knowledge only. Observe it here. Client tool. This client tool is also called as query tool. But you are a first time newcomer. How you are understandable these all the things means observe it here one by one. I am telling means then easily understandable. Now check it out. Concentrate here. 5 minutes concentrate easily understandable. Suppose I installed Oracle software in my system. Whenever I installed Oracle software in my system, then automatically some place is reserved in a very disk only. This is called Oracle database. Okay, yeah, here. In a future, after 1 or 2 days after, you are also installed a what? You will install a Oracle database. How can we install? Means I will tell you, don't worry. Oracle database. Now check it out. For example, observe it here. This is a place. Now, this is a one user is there, for example. I am also, you are also users, for example. Okay, yeah, here. This user wants to store some data into where this database. For example, this is an employee or this is a customer, anything. Now here, this user wants to store some data into where this Oracle database permanently. Okay, yeah. Again, okay, otherwise, this user wants to fetch means return, fetch some data from this Oracle database. To retro fetch means return to retro data from this Oracle database. Then this user uses two-step process. That is so many fellows are doesn't have an idea. That notes is there. Don't worry. Just observe it first. This user uses what in a Oracle side? How many steps? Not a single step. Two-step process. What is the first step is? Observe it here. Now check it out. Step one. In this step one, that is called connect step. Okay, yeah. This step one is also called as connect step. In this connect step only, we are using a what? One of the tool is SQL plus tool. What is this connect step? I will tell you today. Don't worry. This is a default tool or explicit tool. Which day another tools are they available? Today I will tell you diagrammatically, easily understandable. Again, which one? Once connect step through, connect to the web server by using a client tool. Don't worry. Here, another step is there. What is that one means? Communication is a step. Here, communication is a step only. Communication is a step. In this communication step only, we are allowed to use which languages? SQL, PLSQL languages. SQL, PLSQL languages. Okay, yeah, SQL, PLSQL languages. Observe here, concentrate here. This theory through easily understandable. That simple notes I'm writing only. Okay, yeah. Here, Oracle is a relational database which is used to store data permanently in a secondary storage devices. If you want to operate Oracle, then we are using three languages no yesterday. Okay, yeah, here. Now today onwards, observe here. If any user wants to perform some operations in Oracle database, then that user uses how many steps? Two steps. One is what? Connect step. That is a what? One of the tool is SQL plus tool. Second one is what? Communication step. In that step only, we are allowed to use a what? SQL, PLSQL languages. What is this connect step? Means simple, dead easy. Okay, yeah, here. Now check it out. 5 minutes observed here, easily understandable. Suppose I installed a what Oracle software. Okay, yeah. Whenever I installed a Oracle software in my system, then automatically some place is reserved in a disk, that is Oracle database. Don't worry. Now check it out here. Users are there, for example. These users are wants to communicate with this Oracle database. Otherwise, these users are wants to perform some operations in this Oracle database. Then they are using a what? Anybody attending yesterday class? Then they are using a which language? Which language? Anybody tell me? Very good. Which language? Very good. SQL is a language. Okay, na? Yeah. Which language? SQL is a language. This is everyone thinking like that only, but this is wrong one. SQL language is not a problem. Oracle database is not a problem. Users are directly does not interact with the what? This database only. This is a servers actually. Here client server architecture is required. Anybody good at what Java, .NET, Python means entire architecture is there? No. Same like here. Yes, client server architecture is there. Client server architecture is there. Now observe here, any users also now here does not interact with the what Oracle database directly. That's why instead of this one, just first observe here, users are connect to the where client tools. Users are first connect to the where client tools. What are those client tools? How you are installing? I will tell you. These are client tools. Through this client tools only, these are client server architecture. Through this client tools only, they are connect to the where server. Okay, na? Yeah, here. Once they are connect to the where server by using username and password, then only allowed to perform yes operations by using a what SQL PL SQL languages. That much of thing is there. That a diagram I'm drawing today. Why? Because at least you are a first time newcomer means what is the default tool and also what are the explicit tools available in our market. Otherwise in a real-time project side what are the another tools they are using only, better to know names only. Later you are familiar but first time no. Now that's why Oracle Corporation giving a simple diagram. Through this diagram without any knowledge also easily understandable. That's why I'm copying the diagram. Just observe here. Suppose again last chance observe here. I installed a Oracle software in my system. Whenever I installed a Oracle software in my system, automatically some place is reserved in a disk. This is called Oracle database. Observe here, this is a what? Oracle database. Okay, yeah. Here, this Oracle database is nothing but a what? A collection of database objects are there. Here, tables are there, procedures are there, functions are there. These are all the things we are learning in our course. Don't worry. Triggers are there, packages are there, synonyms are there, sequences are there, clusters are there, indexes are there. These are so many database objects are there. Any relational database also same. Okay, na? So many collection of database objects are there. Up to now, just roughly table you have an idea. Yes, that's why these are collection of database objects. Collection of database objects. These are collection of database objects. Now check it out. Here, concentrate here. Now users. Here, this is a user. For example, in a user. I am also here. Also anybody. Okay, users. Connect to the where server and allowed to perform some operation means first these users are connect to the where server by using a client tool. These are called query tools or client tools because this is a client server architecture. Okay, observe it here. Users are first connect to the where client tools. Here, otherwise these tools are also called as query tools. Okay, now some fellows are calling a what client tools. Some fellows are calling a what query tools. Once user connect to the where client tools through this client tool, they are connect to the where server by using username, password, user credentials. I will tell you SQL language. SQL means structured query language, simple language. That one SQL language through they are allowed to perform operations in Oracle database. But this is very easy. Okay, now everyone knows. In a developer front end also so many fellows having idea. But why Oracle provided again same diagram means reason is there. At least first time newcomer client tools they doesn't have an idea. Suppose you are a first time newcomer, non-technical person, you don't have an idea client tools. That purpose only they are providing a what this diagram. Now observe here, I am also copying that. Why? Because that client tool names you must familiar today. What are the client tools are available in a market means observe here examples of the client tools. First tool is what here? Okay, one is what? SQL Plus is a tool. Client tool is what? Example is SQL Plus client tool. But unfortunately, this tool you are not required to install. Whenever you are installing a what Oracle software in a future you are installing, don't worry. Whenever you are installing a Oracle software, then automatically this client tool is created. Which client tool? SQL plus tool is created. Oracle provided like that. Whenever you are installing a what Oracle software, automatically SQL plus tool is created. That's why SQL plus tool you are not required to install explicitly, not required. When you are installing Oracle software, this tool is available. Okay, na? Yeah. Open the tool and connect to the server. How can I miss? I will tell you practically, don't worry. That's why so many fellows are, this SQL plus tool is also called as here default tool. Okay, na? This is only default tool in Oracle software side. In a real time, whenever you're then installing Oracle software also, same this default tool is available. Now observe it here. But unfortunately, not only this default tool, anybody working professionals are there in our class, they are debugging a what that SQL, PL SQL languages means compared to SQL plus tool, better debugging a what another tools are there. Those are not a default tools. Explicit tools purchased from the different companies, they are installing a what in their system only. Suppose Toad is a tool is there 8 years, 9 years back, that is a popular tool, that is a GUI tool. What is the problem with the SQL plus tool means that is a command line interface. That is not a graphical user interface. That is a command line interface, same like a DOS prompt like that. But unfortunately, GUI tools are there, graphical user interface tools are there 8 years back, 9 years back. Which one? Toad is a tool is there. That is a popular tool olden days. Nowadays, another tool is there, don't worry. This is first software tool only. From that first software they are purchasing a what that tool and they are installing a what in their okay systems in a company side. But unfortunately nowadays SQL server side also Toad is a tool is there, MySQL side also Toad is a tool is there. This is a common tool, popular tool only olden days. That's why Toad is a one of the popular tool in a olden days. Okay, yeah, here that is a what GUI tool. This tool you want means explicitly you are downloading from the net only, okay, outside, because that is a trial softwares they are providing, no? Yeah. Next, another tool is compared to Toad tool. Nowadays, regularly used tool is what? A SQL developer. Nowadays, present industry, so many tools are available also. This tool regularly using only. This is a better debugging compared to where Toad tool. That's why nowadays popular tool is SQL developer is a tool. Again, another tool is there, that is a PLSQL developer is a tool. Another tool is what? SQL Navigator is a tool. Okay, yeah, SQL Navigator is a tool. Okay, these are the client tools. But unfortunately, except SQL plus 2, these all the tools are explicitly you are interested means you are downloading from the net and you are installing only. Okay, yeah, that's why this is a explicit tools. SQL plus is a default tool. Here, SQL developers nowadays regularly using only in a project side. Now observe here, except SQL plus, these all tools are also called as GUI tools, graphical user interface. GUI means graphical user interface tools only. Okay, yeah, here this is a diagram. Now that's why observe here 1 minute only. Here step one side. If any user wants to perform some operations in Oracle database, then those users first connect to where? Oracle database by using client tool. Now observe here, whenever we are installing Oracle software, then automatically SQL plus tool is created. That's why SQL plus is a default tool. Okay, yeah, here. This diagram through easily understandable. Okay, yeah, here. Now first users are connected to the where client tools. Client tool through they are connected to the where server by using username and passwords are there. Don't worry. That is called user credentials. Yes, once they are connected to the web server, then only they are operating by using a what? SQL language. This data we are operating. Now, this client tools names are SQL plus tool. There is a default tool except SQL plus tool. Toad, SQL developer, PLSQL developer, SQL navigator. These are the four popular tools are there. Yes, these tools are means explicitly installing. Otherwise, SQL plus tool through also you are practicing not a problem. But in a real time, some other GUI tools also explicitly they are installing only. Those tools are also called as graphical user interface tools only. This is nothing but a what? Collection of database objects. Okay, yeah. Here now check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose already I installed a Oracle software. Whenever I installed a Oracle software, in a future you are also installing Oracle software. Observe here in a Windows side. Here, how we are opening a what SQL plus tool is available or not, check it out. Once I am installing a Oracle software, automatically Oracle ORA DB home, it will display. Don't worry, that notes I will tell you. Just we are clicking this one, then automatically SQL plus tool is there. Observe here. SQL plus tool is there. This is I am not installing. I am installing a only Oracle software. Then automatically default tool is there or not. Through this tool, we are connected to the web server. Internally, server is there. Now that server, how we are connecting means user credentials are required. Okay, na? Yeah, here user credentials are required. Suppose here username, password, same like a what a root is there. No MySQL database side here. Some usernames, passwords are there. Next classes side we are learning which user, what is that one, all the things. Once they are connected to the web server, observe it here. Now check it out. Here, once they are connected to the web server, then only now here, yes, this is a database, no? Yes, here, yes. Then only we are allowed to perform operation in Oracle database. But unfortunately, here you are observing or not, this same like a DOS prompt only command line interface is there or not? Yes. Command line, okay? Yeah. Here only we are typing a what? Some commands here like this only. Select, update, delete. These type of commands only. These are called, yes, here SQL language commands. Okay, yeah, here internally something is there that is retrieved into where this tool or not. Yes. Now here this is a black screen is there already. I told we are okay allowed to change a what SQL plus tool colors and text colors, background colors like this. Possible. Okay, yeah, here how can we change means next one of these days after installation I will tell you. But unfortunately, observe here, suppose here in a previous classes I'm telling you what this type of things only, and now here check it out, observe here. Oh, maybe I'm changing a what this SQL plus tool colors and all these things because more clearly visibility purpose. I'm opening a what this SQL plus tool, just some username and passwords we are typing only. Then only now this user is connected to the where server, that is a what a database here connect to the where database. Here observe here SQL plus is a tool and here username password through they are connect to the where database. Okay, in this database only they are allowed to perform some operations. And now here check it out. Here some table format only. Yesterday I don't know. Here relational data model means structure. Table format only. Data is there. That one we are allowed to perform operations like that. Okay, now these are called SQL languages. Okay, now, yeah, SQL language commands. Okay, now suppose in a future, why we are learning about this course means same like a what this tables we are creating a tables, we are performing operations, and those tables only data is available. And now those data items we are retrieving only. Okay, now, yeah, here and modifying only according to client requirement. Any type of applications also. Now check it out. Here, observe here, big tables are there. What is these commands? Don't worry. In a future SQL language we are starting this, then you are understandable. Observe here, these are the big tables also Oracle Corporation practice purpose providing. These are predefined tables. Don't worry. Here, through these tables, okay, so same like a what these tables, you are also creating a tables in a real-time project side according to your requirement. Okay. Now check it out. For example, suppose you are working in a banking domain. Very easy. Observe here. For example, in a all banking application nowadays in a database. Suppose here yesterday online shopping portal. Okay, Flipkart, Amazon, how they are writing means I don't know. Yeah, coding only in SQL language too. That's why you have a railway reservation, flight reservation. These are all the things. Zomato, Swiggy. These all applications are database applications. Don't worry. And now here check it out because data is there, then only possible these all the things. Now check it out, concentrate here. Suppose banking application, for example, you are working in a banking domain, banking project, for example. Here bank means I am also here also going to where in a bank only depositing money, withdrawing money. So many transactions we are performing. That purpose, some senior most database designer, they are designing a what tables according to client requirement. So now how they are designing means, for example, one bank is a table I try to create. Okay, in a future, you are also creating a what? Once we are good at what? These type of commands in SQL language. Create table here, bank like this, for example. In this bank table here, account number is a column. These are columns only. In this account number, most of the time numbers they are storing only, there is a data type. But account number not a duplicate because my account number, your account number not a same only. That's a primary key they are using. Primary key, foreign key, these are called constraints. Now here, observe it, otherwise banking transactions are failure. Okay, yeah, here. Name of the account holder, for example. Okay, name of the account holder, where cat2 is there, for example. These are all the things we are learning in a future. Don't worry, just roughly observe here. Here balance, here observe here, balance like this. Now here, check it out here. Okay, something address, email, okay, phone number, those all the things. Okay, this is the way that to okay, creating a table. How I'm creating a table, I know the SQL language. What is the syntax of the where create table? I know. That's why I'm creating. In a future, you are also familiar. Then only you are creating. Don't worry, nothing. Now check it out here, just this demo class. No, just I'm typing only. Now check it out. Some okay, customers data is there in my project. SQL loader is a tool is there. Through that one they are dumping, but you don't have an idea those tools now today. That's why normally I'm using only 1001 account number. Again, my name Murali. I'm inserting. Okay, na, yeah. My balance is what 5,000 rupees, for example, in that one bank only. For example, this is called a record. If you want to view that record in a table format means this SQL command is there. Observe it here. Just okay. Here or maybe account number, name and balance is a columns are there. Okay, na? Yeah, here. And also this is a data here. This is called record. Horizontally, whatever thing is there, that is record 1001 morally my name and also balance. Suppose another account holder is there, for example, that record also I want to store here ABC, anything else here 3000 like this. Again, another occasional customer is there. For example, account holder is there. For example, and now here check it out XYZ here, and now here 2000 rupees only balance is there. For example, like this, so much of data is there. Okay, yeah, here. Now check it out. This is a data. This is a table format only. Data is there or not. Select star from bank like this. Okay, yeah, here. Now check it out here. That's why here account number is a column is there. No, yes, here that column and also name of the account holder and balance. Here these are records here 101 Murali 5000 1002 ABC 3000 1003 XYZ here 2000 like that. Now here total balance I want here. Suppose here this total balance I want means here you are writing a what in a feature some SQL language commands select here some is a group function is there here balance here from table name like this. What is the table name? Bank. Okay, yeah, here like this. Then automatically 10,000 it will be displayed or not here. Now end user not understandable what is sum or anything means end user understandable purpose here alias names they are using total balance for example. Now in this total balance only automatically here 10,000 is there or not? Yes. Now suppose in my project reporting side these are all columns along with this total balance I want to display means in every database just we are using a what here those all columns they are trying to type here what are the columns are available means bank dot star means all columns, so don't worry in a future that is we are learning but it won't work. This is so many fellows are doesn't know. These are called group functions. Sum, average, max, min. These are called group function. Group function with all other columns in a way in a database table also. You impossible. Either in MySQL, either in SQL Server, either DB2, either Sybase, either Informix. Impossible only. Here I try to execute this one error. Now here error is there or not? Yes. Suppose in this case your experienced person means you are converting a what this group function into where another functions, a window functions that is called analytical functions by using a over clause then only possible. Now here check it out here over is a clause is there here. Now check it out here. What is that one? You don't have an idea. Just roughly observe it here. Oh, maybe what is going on. Now check it out. That's why experience is required. Yes, that is working or not? Yes. In a previous case not working, this is working only. How means I know the internal concept what is going on, I know the web subject, then automatically I'm writing means working or not. You are also familiar in a future these type of things only we are handling the what project purpose. That's observed here. One morely here 5,000, 3,000, 2,000 here 10,000 each and every record side it will be visible or not. Yes here. Now suddenly I want to remove the what here primary key in that one here alter okay table table name here back only okay 1 minute only drop primary key like this they're using. Okay, 1 minute observed here. Suppose here this is a table is there. For example, here observed here select star from okay now yeah here table name is there bank like this. In this case, observed here, suppose today I am interested to credit some amount. Some other fellows interested to debit some amount from their accounts. For example, today this is what one bank account is there, bank only, SBI Bank, for example. Here my name is Murali. Here I have balance of 5,000 rupees. Now I am depositing some amount only today. For example, I credited some amount. Here insert into table name, here bank only, here values like this. For example, observe here, now here 1001, my name is Morally like this. Here, okay, 2,000 rupees, for example. Today I'm credited some amount. Again, another account holder also crediting some amount here, ABC account holder. Here, okay, again 2,000. Again here, again XYZ also here 1003, here XYZ. This account holder also crediting some amount, for example. Now check it out here, concentrate here. These are the data items are there in your table. Suppose, for example, select a star from here bank like this. Now check it out here. Suppose I want to generate a report, for example, okay, now here account holder, name of the account holder and balance. Okay, now yeah. Suppose total balance I want in my project side. Suppose 1 lakh customers are there, account holders are there. How we are calculating manually? Impossible. That's why here I want to calculate a what total balance 5,000 plus 3,000 plus 2,000 plus 2,000 plus 2,000 plus 2,000. I want to calculate total balance means you are writing a what SQL queries like this in a future sum of balance like this. Okay, now yeah, here that is a what a total balance I'm giving only from what is the table bank is a table. Whenever I'm typing a what this SQL language command automatically 16,000 rupees are available or not. But I don't want like this today. Suppose here each and every account holder, how much total balance is there I want. Suppose Morally account holder, yes, today I'm depositing some other amount or not, crediting some amount. Here Morally account holder having a what? Here 5,000, here 2,000. 5,000 plus 2,000, how much? 7,000, 7,000. Suppose ABC account holder having a what? The total balance is how much? 3,000 plus 2,000, that is a 5,000. Again, XYZ account holder 2,000 plus 2,000, that is a 4,000 only. Now I want each and every account holder having a what? Whatever a total balance is there, that is I want. That is what you are observing or not. Morally is a what? Similar data items. ABC similar data items. XYZ similar data items. If you want to yes arrange a what similar data items into where single groups means same like vegetable market, vegetables are there, groups are there or not. Yes, here some similar okay, so vegetables into one group, some other similar vegetables into another group, they are putting no same like here database side group by is a clause is there. Whenever we are using a what group by is a clause in a select statement, then automatically this all the things arranged in a where groups wise. That is a report. Here observe it here. Suppose I'm experienced person means in a future you are also familiar what here like this each and every account holder name I try to display and also group by is a clause is there. Group space by here demo class no, just without explanation. Just I'm showing only something report is there in a web database. Now here like this. Observe here, yes. Automatically, yes, here Morally, random order also not a problem. Morally 7,000. Again, ABC account holder which one? 5,000. Again, XYZ account holder means 4,000. Okay, these type of reports you want means in a project side, you are also learning a course as SQL PL, SQL languages, otherwise in a database you are learning also, you are writing these queries, okay, fine. But interviewer asking how these queries are executed, they're asking me, so many fellows are unable to explain. That's why subject is important. For example, yes, these queries they're asking, for example, each name wise account holder total balance, it will be displayed. But how it is working, they're asking means, yes, you are a good experienced person, means easily you are telling that easy this one. Suppose here you are observing or not, 1 minute only, bank is a table is there. No? In this bank table, so many account holders are there. How many distinct okay, account holders are there? First check it out. How many distinct account holders are there? Murali is a one account holder, ABC one account holder, and XYZ is a account holder only. Oh, three account holders are available. Okay, three distinct names are there. Suppose what happened means whenever we are using a what group by like this. For example, group space by, okay na, yeah, just roughly observe it here. Here name wise I try to arrange groups, okay na, yeah, name wise. Whenever name wise I am grouping means, then in a select statement group by name I am giving means there is a column, group by name column, okay na? Yes, automatically that groups are created. How much is observed here? Yes, name, how many distinct values are there? Three distinct values are there. That's why three groups are automatically created. Observe here, three groups are automatically created like this. This is one group, this is one group, this is one group, like this, simple. Now check it out here. This is a what? Group one, group one. Here this is a what? Group two, group two. Again this is a what? Another group. Here group three, like this. Roughly observe it here. This knowledge is very helpful. Now, in this group one, suppose here Murali is a what? A similar data items are no, those records are storing only. Same grouping only. Here Murali, okay na? Yeah, here again, which one? Sorry, my name only Murali, like this. In this Murali here, 5,000 is a what? One record. Again here Murali, okay na? Yeah, Murali, like this. In this case, 2,000, okay na? Yeah. Again, in a group two, observe it here, ABC, ABC, for example, here 3,000, okay, the balance. Again, here ABC, another ABC is there, ABC 2,000, is a balance only story. Again, here in that group three only, sorry, three this one, and now here XYZ, similar data items are there, no? XYZ, here 2,000, again here XYZ 2,000 is there. Up to this one very easy or not? Oh, maybe whenever in a database project said also in SQL language select statement group by is there. When a group by column name whatever thing is there, that column based only some groups are created distinct value side. Then similar data items, name means name duplicate based data is storing in a where one group, ABC duplicate data is storing in a where another group, yes, XYZ duplicate data is storing in another group. But now one group function is there, you are observing or not? Total sum is a group function is there or not? This group function working in a where in every group only, nothing is there. Suppose here sum is a group function I am writing. Sum means total, don't worry. Here sum of balance I am writing a what in a where in that group by class. Whenever I am writing this one, this sum of balance is working in a where each and every group. For example, here sum of balance means this total balance it will be calculated in this group only. 5,000 plus 2,000, how much? 7,000. That's why here, yes, in this group, 7,000. How much easy? Okay, yeah, here like this. Same, how human person thinking, here also, location of here it is executed like that. That's why database very easy only, okay, in a feature. Here, that is sum of balance in a where, in this group only here, 3,000 plus 2,000, how much? Here, 5,000, like this. Each and every group only individually working, okay, yeah, here like this. Again, sum of balance in this group only here 2000 plus 2000, that is a what? 4,000 like this. 4,000. Now that's why total balance in each and every group it is working only. Okay, yeah, here this is a 7,000, this is a 5,000, this is a what? 4,000. Suppose in a future count star is a function is there. Count star means number of rows it will be counting only in a word database. Here how many rows are there? One and two. That's why two it will be displayed. Here how many rows are there in in this one, two it will display. Here, how many rows are there in this group? Two, it will be displayed like that. That's why always observe it here. Whenever you're writing a what some coding, these type of codings are called SQL language. Okay, na? SQL is a language. These type of codings are called SQL language only. This language is very important only. SQL language. Now these languages you are learning. Suppose here, observe it here, concentrate here. This is a what a table is there. For example, select a star here from table name. Sometimes we are retrieving a data from not only single table, multiple tables. Suppose this EMP table is there. This is a what a DEPT table is there. For example, okay, yeah. Joins means most powerful concept. Don't worry. Just observe it here. Here, so many employees are there. Employee names, Smith, Ellen, Ward, like this only. These employees are belongs to some department, 20, 30, 10. Some departments are there. Okay, yeah, department names are there here, for example. Suppose today two employees are joining in my company. Now observe it here. One is what Murali, my name. Another one is Durga. These two employees are joining in a where in this company. Data entry operator try to store those employees details into where this table, EMP table, for example. What happened? Observe it here. Beautiful concept. Insert into here table name. Here EMP here. Now employee number, comma e name. But these two employees are not belongs to any department. For example, here observe it here. One, my name is Murali like this. Murali also storing a what in a where this record is storing in a where this table, and also another employee to Durga. These are the two employees are joining in a company. Okay, now for example. Now here, check it out here, concentrate here. These two employees are not belongs to up to now, up to today, not belongs to any department. Substitute here. Select star from EMP like this. Here, Murali and Durga is there. Okay, Murali does not belongs to any department. Here, Durga also does not belongs to any department. Here, but unfortunately, here some employees are belongs to 20th department, some employees are belongs to 10th department, some employees are belongs to 30th department. What is my requirement means? I want to display these all employees, and also these department names. Okay, these department names I want to display. Different table columns you want to retrieve means joins we are using. But I try to write a what joins. All employees I want to display means select here e name, comma here d name like this only from EMP. In a future, you are good at what joins only inner join this one. Here, this is a inner join, for example, in a database SQL server MySQL DB2 like that. Here DEPT here on here e dot DEPT number is equal to d dot DEPT number. We are writing what is that one means later. Just observe it here. Whenever I'm writing a what this coding in a real-time project side, what is the problem means? Observe it here. This is inner join. Inner join always returns a matching rows only. That's why here my intention is Murali Durga. I want to display also. This is not displayed. Why? Because observe it here. Here inner join means here this a join condition is there. In this joining condition, E dot department number is equal to D dot department number means here 10 is there. In that case also 10 is there. Here 20 is there. Here also 20 is there. Here 30 is there. Here also 30 is there. Here this is called matching rows. Here observe it here. 10 is matching, 20 matching, 30 matching only. This condition based only. This matching data 10 is available in a where some employees, those employees only displayed. 20th department, some employees are there, those employees are displayed. 30th department, those employees are displayed. But unfortunately, here null is a department is there. Okay, so now null. Here, okay, Murali and Ashok, okay, Murali and which one at Durga here does not belongs to where any department here. Okay, now that's why null is there. Null with anything matching means not matching only. Those records are does not displayed. Now that's why observe it here. Yes, here only how many employees are displayed? 14 employees only displayed. This is called inner join only. Only matching rows only displayed from the where joining condition onwards. But in a real-time project side, I don't want like this. I want to yes display yes here Murali and Durga also in this example. In this case, left outer join we are using. This is a what here inner join plus left side table remaining records. What is the left side table? Left side table remaining records. Left side table which one? Here yes here EMP only is a left side table. In this table, all the records I want to display means inner join plus left side table remaining records means left outer join we are using left space outer space join. Otherwise, left space join only we are using. Yes, automatically. Murali, Durga also displayed or not? Yes. This is a beauty. That's what these type of things we are learning. Suppose here I want to display here right side table. Here the operations is a what? A data is there. That is I want to display means right outer join they are using like this. Where we are using in a real time. These are all the things we are telling only. Here, suppose here I want to display Murali and Durga and also operations, all the okay, so inner join plus left side remaining rows, right side remaining rows. You want to display in a project side means full outer join is there like this. This is the way Murli and Durga in operations like that or not. That's why always this is a what SQL language. You are good means these type of so many things we are learning in a future. Okay, na? Yeah, not today. Just roughly I'm showing only. Okay, na? Yeah. That's why what I'm telling. Yes, connect a step through. Yes, we are allowed to connect to the where server by using a what? Yes, username and passwords. What is that username? Tomorrow I will tell you. Was it okay? Na? SQL plus tool first I'm telling only. Here SQL plus in a interactive query tool no installed automatically when you install a what Oracle software. SQL plus has a command line interface that allows users to connect to Oracle database server and execute statements interactively. Suppose this SQL plus tool you want to open means just here 19 CR onwards dead easy. So when a Windows start programs, Oracle DB Home is there. Directly SQL Plus tool is available. Open it. But unfortunately, in a 10G, 11G, 12C olden days software side, application development is extra tab is there here. This application development is extra tab is there. This tab you are typing means sorry we are selecting means then only SQL Plus tool is visible. Otherwise, that is not visible only. Okay, now olden days some extra thing is available, but nowadays directly whenever Oracle DB Home we are okay, so now selecting then automatically SQL Plus tool is opened only. Through that one, yes, we are interacting with the what server. What is that one? Through the where commit and rollback, what happened? Those are all the things, and also some other concept. Tomorrow I will tell you. This is the second demo class. Tomorrow maybe last demo class. After that one, regular sessions we are able to start better. Okay, yeah. Okay, na? Understood this one. Anybody not attending about previous class? Just ask the management only. Send a what videos. Okay, na? At least one video is there. No, yeah, previous demo class video. You have to ask and you have to observe it. Easily understandable. Okay. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Thank you. Tomorrow continue. Thank you for attending this small demo class. Tomorrow continue.
Sir, MySQL Workbench and Oracle software both are different.
Actually, already yesterday class I told no. Yeah, yeah. What is that one means? Yesterday class, the video session you have to observe it. Easily understandable. Actually, SQL is a universal language that is used to operate a what? All relational database. This is a ANSI standard language. Okay, na? Yeah, ANSI standard language only. Now, from this ANSI standard language, always Oracle Corporation created their own SQL language only. Slowly observe it here. Their own SQL language. Oracle created a what? Their own SQL language from this ANSI standard SQL. That's why here Oracle programmers using a what? Yes, not a SQL workbench. Here Oracle programmers uses what? Which one? Oracle SQL is a language. This one. This language we are operating means okay, na? Yeah, here always they're using a what? SQL language through they're operating a Oracle database. But unfortunately, which client tools are available? SQL Plus is available. Okay, again, now here Toad is available, SQL Developer is available. That is a tools. Actually, MySQL database is there in that one SQL workbench is there or not? That is a tool. Like that only different language, different tools are available. Okay, yeah. But Toad is a tool, common tool is there, but different languages, different tools only. But here SQL Server is there. For example, SQL Server, this is a Microsoft product. From this ANSI standard SQL language, here SQL Server, Microsoft creating a what? Their own SQL language, that is called SQL Server SQL. These persons are yes using a what? Suppose .NET and Power BI, these type of employees are using a what? SQL Server SQL, not a Oracle SQL. Because what is the difference between these two vocational languages means always, okay, yesterday I told no, syntactically different and functions also different. Suppose Oracle SQL stored procedure you are writing, SQL Server stored procedure you are writing, syntactically different. And also here functions also different. Yesterday I told no, here NVL is a function is there whenever operating a what? Null values with arithmetic operations means here same function I try to use an SQL Server, no, not working. Here is null is a function is there. That's why functions are different. And also tools also different. Only conceptually same. What is what is table, what is procedure, what is function, what is trigger, what is sequence, what is synonym. These are what means same, but syntactically totally different. Functions also totally different. Tools also, some tools are same, but some other client tools are different only. Suppose here MySQL also already told me yesterday. Here MySQL is a database is there, that is open source nowadays, but Oracle was purchased that one from this ANSI standard SQL. Yes, MySQL using a what? Here MySQL SQL language. Okay, these persons or client tool is a what? SQL workbench they are using or not? Yes, that's why. This is the way. And now that's why all SQL languages are conceptually same, but syntactically different. Some tools are different, and also functions also different. Okay, yeah. Those are all the things very easily understandable. Thank you so much for
Thank you, sir.
attending this demo class. Tomorrow I will tell you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.